Before the dawn you called her name, Abba Yahuwah, forever the same. Through parents' love and wisdom past, your faithful covenant ever last. You led her to your holy way, through Yahusha's grace each day. By Ruach's fire she now will stand, princess, prophet, priest by your hand. Every breath, every song, all our lives to you belong. Happy transmutation, we lift your holy name. Abba Yahuwah, forever you're the same. Through Yahusha's mercy, Ruach leads the way. All the glory, all the honor be yours today. Many colors once were worn, now in heaven's blue we're one. Like Spica shining from above, our legacy is truth and love. May our children follow you, walking faithful, walking true. Generation after generation living in your covenant. Happy transmutation, all creation sings your praise. Abba Yahuwah, be exalted all our days. Through Yahusha's mercy, Ruach leads the way. All the glory, all the honor, forever and ever. Amen. Happy transmutation, all creation sings your praise. Abba Yahuwah, be exalted all our days. Through Yahusha's mercy, Ruach leads the way. All the glory, all the honor, forever and ever. Amen. All the glory, all the honor be yours today.